Whether you're a budding entrepreneur, a student with a big idea, or just someone curious about the world of app development, you've probably dreamed of creating your own website, mobile app, or even a game-changing digital solution. But there's one problem: coding. It feels like a secret language, an unbreakable code that stands between you and your dreams. Well, welcome to CoderResist. We're here to change the narrative, to shatter the myth that you need to be a coding expert to create amazing apps. In this era of cutting-edge technology, AI, and Gen AI, we're on the cusp of transforming the way we do business and innovate. The market is buzzing with the concept of low-code and no-code. Powered by AI. It's your passport to bringing your ideas to life without writing a single line of code. Imagine a kid turning their imagination into a smart, functional app. It's not just interesting, it's a revolution waiting to happen. So, welcome, everyone, to CoderResist. Get ready to explore this incredible world of low-code and no-code app development. We're here to show you how to find, select and build incredible apps with simplicity, minus the complex coding jargon. Don't miss out on this journey. Hit that subscribe button, and make sure to like our videos to stay up to date with the latest app building hacks. Your dream app is just a click away. Join us in the exciting world of codeless app creation. See you in the future of technology at CoderResist. Let's get started.